Hello, hello. Our math lesson today is 10.8. Estimate and measure mass. Our I can today is I can estimate and measure mass in grams and kilograms. A gram, you might ask. What is a gram? Well, a gram is a basic metric unit for measuring mass. And what is equivalent to 1 gram? One little paper clip is equivalent to 1 gram. What is equivalent to a kilogram? 1,000 of these. So a kilogram is about 1,000 small paper clips, okay? So if I have a small paper clip, which I put in this side, okay, it's right here, it is about a gram, okay? If I have this box, which has some missing, but it has 100 paper clips, it's still not a kilogram, okay? You would need about 1,000 small paper clips to give you a kilogram. So what we're going to do today is this is called a pan balance. And we are going to compare objects and think, would we use grams or kilograms to measure them? Because remember, our question we're trying to answer for Pedro is, would you use a gram or a kilogram to measure the mass or the weight of a dollar bill? So let's look at a couple things, okay? I have a pair of scissors. This is a child's scissors. They're small ones, okay? Well, that drops right away. I have a clementine. Well, we know a clementine is heavier than a pair of kids' scissors, right? So let's see what is heavier than a clementine. I have a remote control. Oh, a remote control is heavier than a clementine. So those we would probably use grams. I'm sorry, we would use kilograms to measure. Let's see a hair tie. Let's compare them. A hair tie. What do we think? Do we think grams? Do we think kilograms? I'm going to put a paper clip on one side and a hair clip on the other. Ooh, a hair band is actually heavier than a single small paper clip. So again, these would both be grams to measure. Let's look at a pen. Well, that dropped right away. Let's compare a pen to a big glue stick. A big glue stick is much heavier than a pen. Let's compare a pen to the children's scissors. Children's scissors are heavier. What about a box of 100 paper clips? Oh, they're heavier than the scissors. Okay, so let's compare the scissors again to my sunglasses. Have you ever heard that song? I wear my sunglasses at night. Scissors are going to be heavier. Hairbrush, make a prediction. Oh, I think I want to do this. I want to do a clementine to a hairbrush. It's heavier than the hairbrush. Cool. All right, guys. So let's think about it. When we are measuring, let's see, if we measure the mass of a bowling pin to a little chess piece, do you think that the mass of the bowling pin is more than the mass of the chess piece or less than? I agree. The mass of a bowling pin would be more than the mass of a tiny little chess piece. Let's compare the mass of 2 erasers with 5 paper clips. Do you think they're going to be, not paper clips, regular clips. Do you think they're going to be about the same? 2 of your erasers that are this big with 5 clips. I think they're going to be the same. So if you're looking at a picture and they're comparing things and they're even like this, that means they're the same. If one is like this and the other one's in the air, for example, if I put the scissors in and I put the hairbrush in, which one is heavier? The hairbrush is going to be heavier than the scissors, okay? if I put a pen with the scissors are going to be heavier than the pen. If I put, let's put the paper clips in with the scissors. The paper clips are going to be then heavier than the scissors. So what you're going to do today on Think Central 10.8 is you are going to be comparing, looking at the pan balance, which is heavier and which is about the same, okay? Or which is more than the mass of one object or less than the mass of one object, okay? Then what you are going to be doing is you are going to write either gram or kilogram based on the weight. Remember, a paper clip, a small paper clip is about 1 gram, okay? Whereas my sunglasses, I would measure in grams, okay? The hairband, I would measure in grams. A desk, for sure, kilograms. What about a bowling ball? Would you measure it in grams or kilograms? Kilograms it is. What about, hang on a second. What about a chair? A chair? Kilograms. What about my Bub June? Bubba, say hi. Say hello, friends. Would we measure him in grams? No, that's yucky. Grams or kilograms? Let me tell you, my arm's a little sore. He's about 7.5 pounds, so I would measure him in kilograms. I want you to think about all of this as you're doing your Think Central today. And if you run into any issues and you need reteaching, rewatch this video or watch the videos that are available to you online. Good luck.